So this will be for the recording of the addition rule that we had discussed last time, right? So as a continuation with our probability, okay? So let's continue with our addition rule. So um, addition rule in probability simply means that actually it's the same way in doing addition rule previously, wherein if task A or event A can be done in M ways and task B in N ways, and both of them can be accomplished in K different ways, okay, then task A and task B can be done in M plus N minus K ways. In other words, if K is equals to 0, task A and B are mutually exclusive. Okay? It means nothing is um, the same with them. Alright? So this will become more clear or clearer later on how we're going to be doing this. But just for now, take the picture lang of m plus n minus k. Okay? So it's supposed to actually with probability it's actually the same. Wherein given events A and B, okay, from the sample space, and the probability that either A or B will occur is, okay, P probability of A or B is equals to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. Alright? Or, in other words, probability of A union B is equals to probability of A plus probability of B minus the probability of A intersection B. Whereas, if we're gonna be drawing a Venn diagram accordingly, no, ito lang siya. Union is just a combination of the two. Okay, if there's something common, of course, we subtract 1 cause or subtract one instance of it because it's gonna be double counted. Probability of A and probability of B and probability of A and B is the one that is in the middle. Okay, so from the above definition, we can say that the probability of A union B union C is as such. Okay, so later on, we will be solving, okay, on a separate video, something that is like this, okay, something that involves three um, variables, okay, so let's just move forward for now, okay. So, for example, okay, according to the Pew Research Internet Project of December 2023 survey, the two most popular social networking sites in the United States are Facebook and LinkedIn. Of all adult search or internet users, 71%, okay, have a Facebook account and 22% have LinkedIn accounts. And 18% have both Facebook and LinkedIn. Okay, find the probability that an adult internet visits either Facebook or LinkedIn. Okay, so let's check first ha kung paano natin siyang gagawin. Okay, there's a word play here. Okay, remember, kapag ka sinabi, when something here says that both, okay, you don't just add them all together because this 18% represents what is in the middle. Okay, so let's represent it first muna. So let's say A is Facebook, this is Facebook, Facebook, okay, and let's change color na lang. And this is LinkedIn, okay, this is LinkedIn, okay. So we have what? 71%, 22%, and 18%, okay. So the first thing that you need to do is to get how many percent are they for both, okay. How many percent are they for both? Okay, so what we're gonna be doing is, let's say 18% here. Next is, what we're gonna be doing is, from 18%, okay, we know that LinkedIn says it, let's start with Facebook first. Okay, we know that in Facebook, they have a total of 71%. Okay, this means that um, that 75% is what? The total of all what is inclusive in Facebook. Okay, so we have 71% for the Facebook. However, we know that Facebook also encompass those who are also having LinkedIn as well. Therefore, it will be incorrect if we put 71% here because it will be double, okay, or double counted. So, the best way to do is to 71. Since this is 18, okay, it's going to be part of the 71%. So, therefore, we have to what? Subtract 71 minus 18 equals to 53%. Minus 18 equals to 53%. This means that Facebook alone, okay, exclusively has 53%. Okay, now let's see for the others. Now for the other one, we have what? Okay, we have LinkedIn. So for LinkedIn, we have um, 18% or 22% of all total minus 18 equals to what? This is 4%. Okay, so this means that 4% is LinkedIn exclusively. Okay, so for the probability that an adult internet visits, but sir, why is it that, okay, if we add 53, 18, and 4, it's not 100%. Where are the other percent? Because, di ba, the sum or the sum total or the sum of all the probabilities of it is supposed to be 100%. Where are the others? Of course, there are those that do not have either LinkedIn or Facebook. Okay, because they're also part of the sample space. So what we're gonna do to get that, we have 53, okay, plus 18. We have 53 plus 18, tama? Plus 18 plus 4, yan. We have 75, then we subtract it from 100. Yan. So we have 25% that is outside this. So we have 25% outside. So 25%. I neither doing that. Okay? So if we're gonna be adding that all up together, we have 25%. Okay, so find the probability that an adult internet user visits either Facebook or LinkedIn. So that is P of A union B. If we're gonna look at it, it's gonna be very easy because we're just going to be adding all of them together. Okay, so let's add them first together so that to show this solution actually works, which is T3 plus 18 plus 4 is equals to 75%. Now, let's try to use the formula. Okay, let's check. Using the formula, P of A union B is equals to probability of A, probability of B, minus probability of A intersection B. Okay, so the probability of A is what? Total of 71% as given, di ba? So we have 71% plus the probability of B as given, 22%. Minus the probability of both or either. Okay, we have 18%. In a total of what? Actually the same. So 77, 71 plus 22 minus 18. Okay, is equals to 75 pa din. Okay, 75%. So the formula still works and the analysis of using Venn diagram also works. Okay, so let's see there. Okay, so now let's have a question. Okay, there's a question last time about this. Okay, what is the probability, okay, that the user is neither visiting Facebook nor LinkedIn? So for the neither. So, neither visits FB or LinkedIn equals to the 25%. Okay, there's another word play here that may come in. Okay, so you have to be careful. Find the probability, okay, that an adult visits only Facebook only. Okay, Facebook only. Yan. So you have to get 53% because that is the exclusive. Pag nakita kayong only, it means that it's still asking for the exclusive one. And then for LinkedIn only, we have what? 4%. Okay? You have to be very careful reading it. Okay? Because there will be a lot of things that you need to consider. But at least, if you know how to, what do you call this? Analyze it according to, um, according to this item or according to a Venn diagram, it will be easier for you because it's already what? Visualized. Okay? So, later on, I will be adding more exercises for this one. Okay? But, um, we'll be doing another video for the next part of the lecture, which is, what's that nga? Sorry. Rule of complement and rule of otherwise. Okay? So, I'll see you on that video in a while. Okay?